911.
Good morning. My name is Betty. I'm calling from Secure, and I'm calling on a recorded line to report a residential burglary alarm.
All right. At what address?
It's at Decatur Street.
Last name of resident?
Last name is...
You said F, that's it.
S is in Sam.
All right. And is it audible or silent?
Audible.
And point of activation?
So there's several. That's the front door, the living room motion, and the back door.
All right. Has the key holder been notified?
No, we will be notifying them.
All right. And your operator name and number?
819.
And your call back?
800-9800. And I have an incident number.
Okay, go ahead.
5117.
All right, I'm 2994.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Bob.
Goodbye.